Since the very beginning, our commitment has always been to improve health and the quality of life. ALDO-UNION is a pharmaceutical laboratory devoted to the development, manufacture and commercialization of a wide range of pharmaceutical products, and we have always invested in the most cutting-edge technology for the manufacture and quality control of our products. ALDO-UNION was established in 1961 by José María Calzada Badia, Doctor of Pharmacy. It was the first pharmaceutical laboratory in Spain to launch a preparation for inhaler use, ALDO Asthma. The first strictly effective inhaler. It was the best-selling anti-asthmatic inhaler in Spain for many years, and the asthmatic patient considered it an inseparable partner. From that date, we started a stage of constant developments in the inhaler sector by launching Beclo Asthma, an inhaler of beclomethasone dipropionate, and then expanding the family of inhaled corticosteroids with budesonide.
El asma es básicamente una enfermedad inflamatoria, pues los corticosteroides inhalados evita esta inflamación y esto fue el mayor triunfo de la neumología de todos los tiempos.
In addition to this, at the beginning of the 1970s, we were the first company in Spain to commercialize an inhaler with salbutamol, Buto Asthma. It later became salbutamol EFG and Vento Aldo. We were also the first company in the world to commercialize disodium chromoglycate in the form of a self-propelled inhaler, among other advances, and we have also managed to be an international reference for our competitors.
Nuestros competidores son muy pocos. Afortunadamente nadie quiere hacer aerosoles. Preparar aerosoles hay que tener una formación tremenda, hay que experimentar una barbaridad. Bueno, es un verdadero problema. Ahora nosotros ya tenemos una experiencia inmensa.
A mastery of the formulation technique of aerosols for inhaler has made possible the substitution of the old CFC propellants for the current HFA propellants that do not deplete the ozone layer, allowing us to be environmentally friendly. From the beginning, ALDO-UNION has also manufactured with the highest quality standards of the pharmaceutical forms. For example, products like Pidoterin, the most important pediatric decongestant on the international market, with more than 50 million treatments that guarantee its effectiveness. Ekin 0.6 conjugate estrogens, the most prescribed hormone replacement therapy in the world. Silvaderma, for the treatment of burns and ulcers, the first silver sulfadiazine launched in the worldwide market. Ursobilane for the primary biliary cholangitis treatment and as adjuvant therapy in liver diseases that present with cholestasis. It modifies the solubility of bile acids and produces choleretic, cytoprotective and immunomodulatory effects. Nasal sprays are another field of special interest and specialization of ALDO-UNION, with products like Beclorino and different presentations of budesonide stand out. The last nasal spray's launch is Nasoaldo, with similar efficacy of the most topical corticosteroids available today, but with an excellent safety profile, both in children and adults, due to its low systemic availability. Apart from the research, the laboratory has invested around 50 million euros during the last decade, acquiring new machinery and facilities, such as the primary and secondary packaging lines for aerosols and the line for manufacturing and packaging nasal sprays. ALDO-UNION has experienced great growth and expansion in recent years through a wide network of distribution companies around the world, and thanks to a vast range of products, especially those destined for the treatment of asthma and other obstructive airways diseases. The laboratory is in a privileged and leader position in the manufacture of aerosol inhalers, with a presence in more than 60 countries in 5 continents and constantly opening up to new markets.
La vocación de nuestro laboratorio ha sido desde sus inicios la investigación y el atender las necesidades que desde el mundo de la medicina se plantean en el transcurso de 2 años. Es por ello que nos vemos obligados a realizar inversiones en modernización y ampliaciones de nuestras instalaciones para responder con rapidez las necesidades del mercado. La decisión de potenciar la fabricación de aerosoles antiasmáticos obedece fundamentalmente a la especialización del laboratorio ALDO-UNION en el desarrollo y fabricación de este tipo de productos, medicamentos que registran un constante aumento de demanda en el mercado.
Currently, ALDO-UNION is leader in the respiratory therapy field and has the widest range in the markets of both inhalers and nebulizers.
El laboratorio ALDO-UNION ha potenciado la inversión en los departamentos de investigación y desarrollo y registros.
From the beginning, ALDO-UNION has opted to offer the best service and the best quality. For that, it has been necessary to innovate and constantly invest in human capital, facilities, and machinery. For this reason, the laboratory has been facing an important investment, locating in a new building, new production areas equipped with the latest technology, and it is endowed with an efficient, fully automated warehouse and agile logistics distribution, currently having more than 50,000 square meters production area available. With this modern and automated headquarters, ALDO-UNION is renewed and modernized to ensure the capacity for growth in the future. After more than 50 years of history, our motto remains unalterable: committed to health.